guys, so anyways, today I'm going to be packing Avery for a vacation for Christmas, and basically we're going to my uncle's house and we're going to be staying there for a while, and I just wanted to bring Avery and I'm going to be packing her some stuff. So these are the two bags that I'm going to be using, and okay, but I'm going to be packing her this little bag and this one that I can carry. So we're gonna start with the things that like her clothes. So I have this cute little shirt for her. It's really adorable, and I think it will look really cute. And then I also have this jacket just in case if it gets like a little bit chilly. She could have that if it makes her last longer. And then I'm also going to be packing her some pants. Just also and like the pants that like go up to like right here. Then I'm gonna pack her this really cute like skirt, and it's kind of fancy and not so fancy, and it's really also going to be packing her this tank top, so she can like wear it around the house. It's really cute, and this is rock and roll. And then for her night outfit, I packed her this little shirt dress, and then she can wear it for daytime and for nighttime. And I also have her little towel that she can use like when she goes out of the shower. Now I'm going to be packing her entertaining stuff. And also she has these shoes. Okay, so now we're going to be packing her entertaining stuff. So I have this little notebook paper that she can like draw if she gets bored inside the car. And then I'm going to be packing her sun gazer. Like if we like go outside and it gets like a little bit hot, you can cover her head. And then I'm gonna also be packing her camera so she can take some photos of like the house or the pretty beach. And then I'm going to also be packing her little tablet. It's on Google, so that way she can like watch YouTube or something like that inside the car. I'm also going to be packing her pillow, and if she gets tired in the car, or for her pillow when she goes to sleep. And I'm also going to be packing her little stuffed animal. She cannot take it wherever she goes because she loves it very much. So now that all of her accessories are packed and closed, I'm going to be showing you her bed. So this is her bed that I'm going to be bringing. It used to be Lily's bed, which I do not have her anymore. But we're going to be using it for Avery now. So now Lily can just like sleep somewhere else. She has this warm little like blanket, and it's really soft. And her bed has these cute little flowers on it. I have another blanket for her inside of the car. It's a cute little like tortilla, just if she wants to like take a nap inside the car, because we're going to Austin, which that is very far away. I mean, it's not very far away, but it's far away. And it fits right inside of her bag. And of course she can't go anywhere without her pets. So I'm going to be bringing her dog and their little puppies. She cannot go anywhere without her pets, or else she will be very sad and alone. I also have this bottle of water for her, so that way, just in case if she gets thirsty. And they will have water there, so if she still gets thirsty. And of course, she cannot go anywhere without her phone. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you just smash that like button and comment down below what was your like favorite accessory, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to get notifications. And also when we get to Austin, I will be also filming that. I'm so sorry, the last time I tried to film that I just totally forgot. But anyways, I will definitely remember. So yeah, make sure you turn on the notifications so that way you can like get notified on when I post new videos. So yeah.